Inventory management is the process of ordering, storing, using, and selling a company's inventory. This includes raw materials, components, and finished products. The goal is simple: having the right products in the right quantity at the right time at the right cost. But why is it so important? It's important because of cash flow. Inventory is money tied up in physical form. It is important for customer satisfaction. Poor inventory management leads to stockouts and unhappy customers. It's important for profitability. Holding too much stock increases storage costs, increases risks of damage and obsolescence. Think of inventory management as balancing a seesaw. Too much on one side and your business gets weighed down, too little and your customers fall off. There are 4 types of inventory. I have a long video about that. The types are raw materials, work in progress inventory, finished goods, and MRO inventory. Raw materials are the basic inputs used to produce goods. Work in progress are the items that are partially completed. Finished goods are products ready for sale, and MRO inventory is the maintenance, repair, operating supplies like gloves, tools, and cleaning materials. Understanding the types of inventory helps you track and control stock more effectively. There are some common inventory problems as well. There's overstocking, understocking, poor forecasting, inefficient tracking. I also have long videos about these as well. Overstocking causes wasted cash, high storage costs, and risk of obsolescence. Understocking causes lost sales, unhappy customers, and broken trust. Poor forecasting and inefficient tracking leads to imbalance and overstocking and understocking. Imagine you run an online store selling phone accessories. You overestimate demand for one model and order 5,000 cases. The phone model gets discontinued next month. Then what happens? You're stuck with unusable stock. That's the cost of poor inventory management. Now let's talk about the most popular techniques businesses use. Just-in-time inventory system. Stocks arrive only when needed. Saves costs but risky if suppliers delay. Economic order quantity. It is a formula to find the ideal order size to minimize costs. The formula for economic order quantity is square root of 2ds divided by h. Here D is demand, S is ordering cost, and H is holding cost. ABC analysis. Categorize inventory into A, B, and C. A standing for high value, low volume, B standing for medium, and C standing for low value, high volume. Safety stock. Extra buffer to prevent stockouts during demand spikes. Reorder point. The stock level at which you reorder. The formula for ROP would be average daily usage times lead time plus safety stock. FIFO and LIFO. FIFO is first in, first out. LIFO is last in, first out. There are some best practices in every business should follow. Regularly audit your stock. Physical counts versus system counts. Train your staff on proper storage and handling. Use barcodes and scanners to minimize human error. Forecast demand using historical data and market trends. Build strong supplier relationships to ensure reliability. Always have an emergency plan for supply chain disruptions. Inventory management may sound technical, but at its heart, it is about balance. Managing it wisely will not only save you money but also help your business grow sustainably. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today.